This is Friday Field Tip. It's 4th of July week, school is out, and summer baseball is in full swing. We thought we'd take this off week to share 4 products you didn't know existed to make your field maintenance a bit easier and more effective. The Rain Pro Nozzle. Post-game flooding is an often overlooked maintenance practice in the high school level. Deep watering the skin and introducing moisture through the profile will provide better playing conditions during the game. Our Rain Pro nozzle makes it a breeze with high volume of water and a soft pattern that prevents moving the conditioner. The Field Caddy. Okay, this one will definitely be your player's favorite. Winding the hose up after watering is a pain. The reels you've bought are garbage and fall apart while seriously decreasing the flow out of your hose. Our Field Caddy rolls easily out of the storage shed to the mound, holds over 100 feet of hose, has a great flow rate, and is built to last. This will be the last hose cart you ever purchase, and by far the best. The Twist-Ease. Who doesn't hate hoses that kink? Did you know that with a simple and inexpensive fitting, your hose will never kink again? It's true, Major League groundskeepers have discovered this new product, and so should you. Put the Twist-Ease on the end of your hose between the hose and nozzle. Your hose will not kink, and you won't have to untwist it to start watering. The Featherweight. Speaking of hoses that don't kink, if you haven't seen our Featherweight yet, you're missing out. If you don't want to spend money on a high-quality hose card, use this hose. It is so much better than the hoses at the big box stores. It will not kink, and best yet, a 100-foot roll weighs only 9 pounds. You'll be shocked to see how easy it is to roll back up as well. Once you try it, you'll never go back. Hopefully, one or more of these products helps make your job just a bit easier this summer. We want you to focus on the players, and we'll focus on helping make your field play and look its best.